Let's talk about how to set up multiple monitors. Multiple monitors can be useful if you are going to spend quite a bit of time analyzing batches and you find that the real estate afforded by your single monitor isn't sufficient. So you can easily configure multiple monitors, which would give you quite a bit more real estate. So let me show you how to set that up in Microsoft Windows. I'm going to use the control panel, and from the control panel I will go to the display configuration. Once I'm in the display configuration, I'll go to the settings tab. Now notice that I'm at 1024 by 768, and I recorded these videos at that lower resolution so that they could be seen on a regular projector. It's quite likely that you would want to go up to 1280 by 1024, which is the shipping resolution, and if your eyes are better than that, you could certainly go beyond. I'm going to stick here with this lower resolution and show you briefly how to configure the two monitors. So first, here's my primary display, and I can see that by identifying it, and the identification will put a big 1 up there. I could look at the properties for that particular monitor and configure them. Going on to monitor 2 here, I want to, now that I've clicked on monitor 2, make sure that extend my Windows desktop onto that monitor is chosen. That's important. Now that I'm on 2, I want to attach that monitor. I want to set the properties, which probably should work by default. And I'm going to identify. Now, something I can't obviously show you on this video is I have another monitor which just showed me the number 2 on it, and now I'm convinced that they are now connected. So this is the Windows configuration for multiple monitors. So let me go to the application. I'm here in Batch at a Glance, and I'll show you how that would work. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take several of these windows and I'm going to push them over to the other monitor. So I'm going to sit on the title bar here for the compound information. I'll right-click and then I will choose floating. Now this window is floating, and I will click on the title bar, hold that down, and I'm dragging that, something again you can't see, but now I have it on the other monitor and I've positioned it. Again, I'm going to take the calibration curve window, I'm going to float it, and then I will click and drag that over to the other monitor. Now I've got both of those windows on the other monitor, and imagine if I had a large batch here and I wanted to see a big picture. As I move between the samples, of course, they're all synchronized as we've shown in Batch at a Glance from the sample navigation and the compound navigation, and I can see that information if I put the two monitors together all in one glance. So I hope you find this useful.